Второй класс. Английский язык. Домашнее задание. Страница 84-85. English. Spotlight 2. She's got blue eyes. Homework page 84-85. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. What's your name? Where are you from? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна. Spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень. Autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 84, 84. She's got blue eyes. Exercise number 1. Listen and repeat. Dark hair, nose, eyes, mouth, ears. Repeat once more. Dark hair, eyes, nose, mouth, ears. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 2. Поговори со своим одноклассником, используя образец. I got green eyes. I got blue eyes. Repeat once more. I have got green eyes. I have got blue eyes. I have got brown eyes. I have got grey eyes. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 85, 85. Look at the picture, please. Exercise number 3. Read, please. I've got 2 eyes, a mouth and a nose. I've got 2 feet, but I haven't got toes. 2 hands, 2 ears, and lots of hair. What am I? I'm a teddy bear. Boys and girls, repeat once more. I've got 2 eyes, a mouth and nose. I've got 2 feet, but I haven't got toes. 2 hands, 2 ears, and lots of hair. What am I? I'm a teddy bear. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is